It began as a sketch. It's a more modern interpretation of the Mini light. It's a bit sharper and more aggressive, so that when you're walking up to the car, it gives you a hint of what's underneath.
For our interpretation of the classic Mini, the 10-inch wheel was an absolute mandate. A wheel can make or break a design, and getting the correct wheel for the car is paramount.
All of it, the wheel, began as the Mini light in my head, where I would stretch it and deform it, make the spokes longer. And I needed someone to help me engineer that thought.
My name is Michael Hogg, and I am a mechanical engineer. It's a wheel center that we are basically putting a new aesthetic spin on and trying to incorporate a functional benefit of trying to draw hot air from the brake assembly out. So it is a directional wheel.
Michael has helped us with everything from the CAD modeling to CFD and strength testing, and innovations such as creating a mini wheel that is a hub-centric design. Once the design was created and the CAD model finished, it was then sent off locally to be CNC'd. Our wheels are a 3-piece design, aluminum construction, 10-inch diameter, 6 inches wide, and with a staggered offset front and rear with directional spokes. So each wheel has a specific corner that it is destined for.
I love the idea of taking something that is arguably so well known, such as the Mini, and so recognizable, but ultimately built in a time where there wasn't all this new technology that we have available to ourselves today.